Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Here in this video we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Teachfloor. So here in this video we're going to learn that how we can set up Webhook inside Teachfloor with Pabbly Connect, okay? So Teachfloor is an online platform that makes easy for educators and trainers to create, maintain and deliver engaging live courses and training sessions. It provides a comprehensive set of tools to facilitate live teaching, including video conferencing, course creation, student management, interactive features like quizzes and polls. Educators can design their curriculum, schedule classes, and track student progress all in one place. Teachfloor's user-friendly interface and rebadge features help instructors to focus on delivering quality education while streamlining administrative tasks, making it a great choice for those looking to offer professional and educational courses online. And we're going to be learning how we're going to set up Webhook inside Teachfloor with Pabbly Connect, okay? So as I've created a workflow in the name of how to set up Webhook inside Teachfloor, you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step. For that, click on this arrow, and for the trigger application, we are going to select it as Teachfloor, okay? So I've selected my trigger application as Teachfloor right over here. After selecting the trigger application, we need to select the trigger event. I'm going to click on this. You can see these are the trigger events that Pabbly Connect provides us while we are going to set up our trigger step, okay? We are going to discuss about these trigger events one by one. First, it is course created. So whenever a new course is going to be created in our Teachfloor account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Next, it is course completed. Whenever a course is going to be completed, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. For the course updated, whenever the course that we have created in our Teachable account is going to be updated, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, okay? It says module created. Whenever a module is going to be created in our Teachfloor account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Similarly, for the module updated, whenever the module is going to be updated in our Teachfloor account, we are going to receive the response, okay? Next is the element created. Whenever an element is going to be created in our Teachfloor account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the element being created. Similarly, for the element updated, whenever an element is going to be updated in our Teachfloor account, with the help of this action event, we are going to capture the response of the element being updated, okay? Next, it says element deleted. Whenever an element is going to be deleted, with the help of this trigger event, we are going to capture the response. And with the help of element completed, whenever the element is going to be completed, we are going to receive a response, okay? After that, we have our last trigger event, that is member login. So whenever a new member is going to be logged into our Teachfloor account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. So these are the trigger events that Pabbly Connect provides us while we are creating this automation, okay? And for the example of this video, I'm going to select my trigger event as course created. So whenever a course is going to be created in my Teachfloor account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a Webhook URL. With the help of this unique Webhook URL, we are going to connect Teachfloor with Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. So firstly, I'm going to copy this URL from here, and step by step now we're going to follow the steps given here below in the help desk to connect Teachfloor with Pabbly Connect. First, it says that we have to log into our Teachfloor account, okay? So I've already logged into my Teachfloor account, you can see right over here. Next, it says that on your dashboard, click on the profile section, go to developers, then Webhook, click on add endpoint button. So this is the dashboard of my Teachfloor account, okay? And on the top right corner, this is the profile section. I'm going to click on it, and from these options you have to click on this developers option, okay? So developers page is going to appear. Under developers there is webhooks and API logins. We have to select webhooks right over here, and over here it says add webhook endpoint. We are going to click on it, okay? Firstly, it is asking for the endpoint URL. I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us in place of this endpoint URL. Next, it is asking for the description of the webhook that we are creating. So I'm going to give a description of my webhook as test webhook. You can give a description to your webhook right over here according to your requirement. Okay, after the description over here, it is asking for the events. So in my help test, it says for the events you have to select it as course created. As a trigger event, we have selected it as course created. So for the events over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as course created. Okay, after filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on add endpoint button. As I've done that, you can see an endpoint, that is the webhook is successfully added in our Teachfloor account. Okay, so as the webhook is now successfully added, I'm going to take you back to the workflow. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a test course in our Teachfloor account, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test course that we're going to create in our Teachfloor account or not. For that, I'm going to open our Teachfloor account, and to create a test course, you have to click on this courses option right over here. Okay, so this is the courses page of my Teachfloor account, and we are going to be creating a test course in our account. For that, click on create course button right over here. Okay, as we're going to do that, the create course settings page is then going to appear, which is asking for the course cover, course name and the description. So we're going to fill in the details right over here. So this is the course cover that I've given. This is the course cover with the course name as Mastering the Markets, a comprehensive trading course. So this is the course, and the description of the course is also given right over here. Okay, so this is the course that I want to create in my Teachfloor account right over here. After filling in all the required details that I want, I'm going to click on this publish button right over here. As you can see that the course in the name of Mastering the Markets, a comprehensive trading course, has now been created. If I'm going to click on this courses button again, you can see right over here a new course has been created in the name of Mastering the Markets, a comprehensive teaching course has been created in our Teachfloor account. As the course has now been successfully created in my Teachfloor account, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created using Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of this course being created or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created. I'm going to scroll down, and this is the response that has been captured in our trigger step. Let us tally the response. The type of the response is course been created, as a new course has been created in our Teachfloor account. Okay, we have received the course ID. The visibility comes over here as private, as the course that we have created is private. You can see right over here. Okay, next you can see the data URL is right over here. If you go to scroll down, the objectives comes over here as course. The name of the course that we have created is Mastering the Markets, a comprehensive trading course. So this is the course that I've created, as you can see right over here, with all the other details of the course that has been created. So this means that we fully set up webhook inside Teachfloor account, and our trigger setup is done. So now whenever a new course is going to be created in our Teachfloor account, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. So this is how you set up webhook inside Teachfloor account with Pabbly Connect. Now as per your requirement, after setting up your trigger step, you can set up your action step right over here by click on this arrow, and you can set up your action step according to your requirements. Okay, so this was it for the video in which you have learned how you can set up webhook inside Teachfloor. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.